Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this session we are going to see patch management in detail, how we can manage and deploy patch on our system for misconfigured software or OS systems like this. So in previous lectures we have seen that agent deployation and Windows system scanning. Here you can see we have scanned two systems, first for Agam and second is for Shubham Shah. You can see the status of the system. So this is now live. This is my current system and this is the remote system which I have in my home. So yes, these two systems, Windows systems, we have deployed the agent and then we have scanned it. So I will show you the result of scanning. And yes, for this both systems scanning is completed and you can see all the details of the scanning just by going to the device and then vulnerabilities. Here you can see all the vulnerabilities for this specific device. And yes, here are all the vulnerabilities, then patches, misconfigured systems and softwares patches. So VMP automatically installs some patches in your system by default. So here you can see 1, 3, 1, 4. These all are the patches are installed in my system for Net Framework, .NET, Microsoft Defender, like yes, .NET, Microsoft Edge. These all patches are currently installed, and these patches are not installed. Like here you can see missing patches for Windows 10 version, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, then WinRAR, VLC Media Player, Google Chrome, LibreOffice, and Sublime Text Editor. For these softwares, the patches are not installed, and you have to configure the patches manually. So we are going to see two patch management on. First is for VLC Media Player, and second is for Sublime Text Editor. So for these both softwares, we are going to see the patch management. Let's come to our current system where we can configure it betterly. Here we have, and for this system we are going to see VLC Media Player patch management and then CPU Z. For these both softwares we are going to download the patch and then deploy it on our system. So let's configure it. Let's come to VLC Media Player, patch ID, and just click on this file. The file is going to be downloaded in some minutes. Just do it for both the softwares. Come here and then click on download. For this downloaded. Previously I also previously I also deployed one patch for putty, like remote session software. Just click next and it will going to update the system. Then after we are going to see for CPU Z. Yes, let it be completed. Okay, click on finish. For VLC Media Player, the patch is installed. Okay, it will not redirect you that the patch is installed. After you have to scan the system one more time and then it will show you that the patch is installed. So for now it will only telling you that the patch is missing. You have to rescan the system. So we are just deploying both the patch and then click yes, accept, next, install. So yes, for these both softwares patch is now installed, you can see. And then we will do one more thing. Just come here and then click on the system and scan. So scan is initiated and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to scan the full system, and after the system is scanned fully, we will come here and then we will see that the patch is missing or installed. So yes, here it will showing you that patch is missing. After the scan is completed, it will show you that the patch is installed. Okay, that it be completed the scan. So here you can see now our system is scanned successfully. So let's go inside and then install softwares. For which software we have installed the patch? For VLC Media Player and for CPU-Z. So here you can see for these both softwares the patch is now installed, and yes, we have successfully installed the patch on these both softwares in this system. Here is how you can deploy your patch on any system. So after we are also deploying patch on this system. So yes, let's deploy a patch on this system. So for this system we are deploying on, like, let's say for VLC Media Player, just download the exe and then just configure this exe on the system in which system you have to deploy the patch. For VLC Media Player and for then second is like Sublime. For Sublime and VLC Media Player, we are installing and deploying the patch on the system. So here is the files are ready. Now just have to do one more thing. Come here and here. Do one thing. Come here and then create new folder. Files. Deploy. One CMD here. And just write Python. Then we are configuring Python server for this folder to access these both files from my remote device on same network. So yes, just write http server on port number 8999. Yes, so Python server is now configured on port 8999. Let me just confirm my IP address, current device IP config, and my IP address is 1.4. So I will just do one more thing. Just go here and then 192.168.1.4.8999. So here you can see the Python server is now configured and our both files are like showing. I'll just do one more thing. I'll just download this both file and configure it on my remote desktop, and then we will scan it one more time and see what happens, like the patches are installed or not installed. So here you can see for Sublime the patch is missing, and for VLC the patch is missing, like not installed. So yes, let me install and then I will meet you. Okay, so now our scan is completed for our second device, Agam, and here we go and then search for VLC Media. Yes, the patch is now installed for VLC Media and for Sublime Text Editor. Patch for the both softwares are installed. So yes, here you can see patch is installed. So like that you can try this part and this feature on your local system to like for third-party softwares and applications, manage them, to manage the versions. So yes, for that you can use Manageengine VMP, and also for like testing purpose and lab setup. So yes, I recommend you to deploy the server on your local system and then try this out. For patch management, I have just deployed 2 patches. You can try it on all the patches. Here are the missing patches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like on, you can try it on all the missing patches and configure it on your system. Oh yes, this is for patch management. I will meet you in next session. So bye bye everyone.